Welcome to the CompTIA Project Plus Prepcast by baremetalcyber.com. In this episode, we begin the glossary section of this credential. The glossary serves as a central reference for the specialized terms and acronyms that appear throughout the exam content. By learning these terms now, you will improve your ability to understand questions, follow scenarios, and recognize context within the study materials. A strong familiarity with these definitions will reduce hesitation and confusion when you encounter them during timed testing. The glossary also supports real-world project work by ensuring you can communicate precisely with stakeholders, vendors, and team members. Many of these acronyms are used in documentation, contracts, and technical discussions, where misinterpretation can lead to errors or compliance issues. Studying them in advance will make both the exam and your project management activities more efficient and accurate. API means Application Programming Interface. An API is a structured set of rules that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. In project environments, API connections enable integration between tools, systems, or services without manual data transfer. Understanding how an API works helps you plan workflows that rely on automation, system interoperability, or vendor-provided functionality. AWS means Amazon Web Services. AWS is a major cloud service provider offering infrastructure, platform, and software solutions delivered over the Internet. Many projects use AWS for hosting applications, storing data, or managing computing resources. Knowing the capabilities of AWS helps project managers coordinate cloud requirements, assess costs, and ensure compliance with security and regional data regulations. BA means Business Analyst. ABA works to identify, document, and communicate requirements between stakeholders and technical teams. In a project, the BA ensures that deliverables meet business needs by clarifying expectations and verifying alignment with objectives. The role of the BA is critical in bridging communication gaps, reducing rework, and supporting accurate scope definition. CCB means Change Control Board. The CCB is a formal group that reviews and approves or rejects proposed changes to a project's scope, schedule, or budget. In governance frameworks, the CCB ensures that change decisions are made with input from all relevant perspectives. Project managers rely on the CCB to maintain control over scope creep and to document authorized changes for audit purposes. CI/CD means Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. CI/CD is a development practice that automates code building, testing, and release into environments. In a project setting, CI/CD reduces deployment errors, speeds delivery cycles, and maintains consistent quality across releases. Understanding CI/CD is important when managing projects that involve frequent software updates or agile delivery methods. CMS means Content Management System. ACMS is software used to create, manage, and publish digital content, such as websites or knowledge bases. Project managers may work with a CMS when building project portals, maintaining documentation, or delivering client-facing content. Selecting and configuring a CMS appropriately ensures that content remains organized, accessible, and consistent with branding standards. CRM means Customer Relationship Management. A CRM system manages customer data, interactions, and related business processes. Projects involving sales, marketing, or customer service often integrate a CRM to improve data sharing and client tracking. Understanding the role of a CRM helps project managers coordinate with business units and ensure smooth system integration. EDRMS means Electronic Document and Records Management System. An EDRMS is a platform designed to manage both electronic documents and structured records throughout their lifecycle. In project work, an EDRMS helps control versioning, access rights, retention, and compliance with legal or regulatory requirements. Using an EDRMS ensures critical project documentation is stored securely, retrievable for audits, and properly archived after project closure. ERP means enterprise resource planning. An ERP system integrates multiple core business functions, such as finance, human resources, procurement, and supply chain management, into a single platform. In large projects, an ERP provides real-time data sharing and process consistency across departments. Understanding ERP systems helps project managers plan for system integration, training needs, and organizational change management. ESG means environmental, social, and governance. ESG is a framework for evaluating a project or organization's impact on environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and ethical governance practices. Many stakeholders and investors consider ESG performance when supporting initiatives. Incorporating ESG considerations into project planning supports compliance, reputation management, and long-term value creation. FTP means File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a standard network protocol used to transfer files between systems over a TCP/IP network. In projects, FTP may be used to share large files with vendors, migrate data between environments, or upload content to web servers. Understanding FTP ensures secure configuration, proper access control, and compliance with organizational file handling policies. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the foundation of communication for the World Wide Web, enabling the transfer of web pages and resources between browsers and servers. Projects involving websites, web services, or APIs often rely on HTTP connections. Knowing how HTTP works supports testing, troubleshooting, and coordination with development teams. IaaS means Infrastructure as a Service. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking over the Internet. In project contexts, IaaS offers scalable on-demand infrastructure without requiring physical hardware investment. Using IaaS can speed project setup, support rapid scaling, and reduce capital costs. IT means information technology. IT encompasses the use of computers, networks, storage, and other technology to process and manage information. In project management, IT functions provide essential support for system deployment, data security, and technical integration. Working effectively with IT teams ensures project deliverables meet technical standards and operational requirements. ITIL means Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL is a widely adopted framework for delivering and managing IT services. In projects, ITIL principles help ensure that technology solutions are aligned with business needs and follow structured service management practices. Understanding ITIL supports process efficiency, service quality, and risk reduction. JAD means Joint Application Development. JAD is a structured workshop method that brings together stakeholders, subject matter experts, and developers to define system requirements collaboratively. In projects, JAD sessions accelerate consensus building, reduce miscommunication, and improve requirement accuracy. Using JAD early in the project lifecycle can minimize rework and shorten development timelines. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Thank you for listening. Please follow baremetalcyber.com on social media and check out our books at cyberauthor.me.